The powerful three-letter that will remove malicious virus in your computer. Hello, this is Maestro Colette, Jimmy Ramos. What are the three letters to remove virus? Here it is. What is MRT? Its so-called malicious software removal tool is a one-time run antivirus scan that comes through Windows Update every month. How to do it? First, go to search bar, type the letter MRT, press enter. Click next. You will be given three choices: quick scan, deep scan, and customized scan. Choose quick scan. And this time, the bar graph will appear. And we're going to wait to finish it until 100%. The speed of the computer will be a great factor in finishing this task. When the bar reaches fully 100%, it will restart and repeat again its procedure. As you can see, it will take so much time, so be patient enough to wait. You can still work on your document while waiting for this to finish. So take some relax while the computer doing its part on the job. We're going to forward the process so that we can see the last result of the virus scanning. Let's see what found. Okay, it's completely done. So it found out that no malicious software have been found. So don't forget to follow and share Jimmy Ramos, Maestro Colette. Thank you very much.